Well, we're just giving you a little idea of what the light show is like. And I believe people have said that this is indicative of some problem with the red lights flashing like this. So this is just a little record of what's going on. And we hope it can be corrected. It is a new unit. And maybe you could forward this to the makers to give you some tech advice. And hopefully, I think the pattern is repeated now enough, and we'll shut it off. So this is the area around the white pipe that goes into the center of the unit, where when it's on, lots of air comes out. Now it was suggested that it's just tape it over, but to me that would look a little bit crude. So we're wondering if there's some sort of collar that could fit underneath there, or that the manufacturer could produce to slip on that, so when that panel is closed, we see up here in this area there is a little rubber gaskets so that the air doesn't spill out. So we're just wondering what your engineers say. Okay.